55 Ronald Avenue. If you're looking for a property that has lots of space for your family and entertaining, this is it. It currently has 5 bedrooms, but has the potential for 6 with a large bonus space above the attached garage.
Outside offers a covered veranda, a fenced-in in-ground pool with a pool hose, and a detached garage with 2 acres of land.
Inside, you also have this nice updated kitchen. You've got to be in this one to see it for yourself.